Question number 1. He is standing. The door. A. By. B. On. C. In. Question number 2. He is proud. His son. A. Of. B. At. C. On. Question number 3. I'm going. Holiday. A. At B. On. C. In. Question number 4. She is afraid. The dark. A. At. B. On. C. Of. Question number 5. He denied. The crime. A. Committing. B. To commits. C. Commit. Question number 6. I enjoy. Stories in my free time. A. To read. B. Read. C. Reading. Question number 7. The cat is sleeping. The sofa. A. In. B. On. C. By. Question number 8. The cat. The mouse. A. Catch. B. Is caught. C. Catches. Question number 9. She avoids. Because it's unhealthy. A. To smoke. B. Smokes. C. Smoking. Question number 10. Is a great way to stay fit. A. To run. B. Runs. C. Running. Question number 11. She walked. The park. A. Through. B. Between. C. Over. Question number 12. The ball is. The box. A. At. B. On. C. In. Question number 13. The book is. The shelf. A. At. B. On. C. In. Question number 14. Teacher gave the gift to. And me. A, his, B, he, C, him. Question number 15. She is waiting. Her friend, A, by, B, 2, C, 4. Question number 16. They should leave now. They will miss the flight. A, or, B, but, C, and. Question number 17. Are going to the park. A, them, B, their, C, they. Question number 18. We will meet. 5 p.m. A, in, B, on, C, at. Question number 19. She wanted to go. She was too tired. A, and B, but, C, or. Question number 20. Is her favorite hobby A, cooks, B, cook, C, cooking.